All right, we're here with Luc Van Herle. He's the National Sales Director for Kinze Manufacturing, and Kinze has another new product here on the lot is their twin row planter. Luc's going to tell us about the twin row, and he's going to tell us, give us a little information on what the dealer needs to know about the twin row as well.
Right.
And the farmer.
Great. Well, thanks again for stopping by. This is actually a reintroduction for Kinze. We had twin row planters some years ago, dropped them because of essentially lack of interest. The twin row market is still a niche market. However, we decided to re-enter the market. We've changed our manufacturing process from a batch build environment to a cell build environment, which allows us to start chasing smaller niche products such as this. Twin rows, interesting. You know, you run into a twin row grower and they're diehards. They're just almost fanatics. What is changing is we're starting to see more bean growers go to twin row. In other words, 7.5 inch spacing, 30 inch on centers. And it's still a small niche. It's about 1% of the planter market in North America. But we decided let's re-enter this market. Primarily, a lot of our existing customers were kind of mad at us for exiting the market and saying, hey, we don't really want to go and buy another color planter, but please get back into this market because we like your meters, we like your row units, we like your toolbar. It's arguably the best in the business. So we decided, well, when your customers start asking for it, that's a real good time to get back into that business. So that's what we did. We have a 16-row twin row here. So it's 16 row 30 with 7.5 inch rows, and of course with our puller unit and pusher row unit makes it really easy to offset these rows. What dealers are telling us, this is interesting, is dealers are sometimes reluctant to bring in used twin row equipment. That's what makes it difficult and very expensive for a grower to get into that, because what do you do with a used twin row machine? The benefit of this machine is you can modify, take these front row units off or change their spacing once you trade it in, and you now have a regular corn and bean planter or just a corn planter alone on 30 inches. So it takes some of the risk out of going for that niche technology out of it.
Okay, thank you very much.